viewers, Allied Bank carriers jobs last date apply Sunday 7 July 2024. Eligibility criteria: qualification minimum bachelor degree from HEC recognized university in Pakistan or abroad. Preference will be given to graduates with commerce, business specialization, proficient IT skill set, and or any IT qualification will be an added advantage. CGPA division minimum CGPA 2.5 and second division at least 45% marks. In case of percentage system in graduation degree, age not more than 27 years as on July 31, 2024. Allied Bank is an equal opportunity employer believing strongly diverse culture and encourage minorities and persons with different abilities to apply. Only shortlisted shall be contacted, and bank reserves the right to accept or reject any application without assigning any reason. So the last date is 7 July 2024, so must apply everyone. Thank you.